Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of my weight loss journey. So we are on our way to brunch. It's actually almost 2 o'clock, but it's still brunch for us because we haven't had any breakfast. I was craving steak and eggs today, so there's this place called Cadillac Ranch that's nearby our house, and they have steak and eggs, so that's where we're gonna go. And they also have like unlimited mimosas. I don't know if I'm gonna drink, but so that's how we're gonna kick off this vlog. You guys are probably wondering why my face is like this, but I just filmed a video, so that's why I have this like dark smoky situation going on. But I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys it is Tuesday. I haven't really vlogged this weekend, and yesterday I didn't really do anything, so I didn't vlog at all. I made myself an egg salad and I had a shake, so things that you've already seen before, so that's why I didn't really vlog it. This weekend we did cheat a little bit. I did have ice cream on Saturday, so if you follow me on Instagram you saw that I had ice cream. But it was so delicious. It was like this creamy coffee ice cream, and we lost a pound, so I felt like I needed to reward myself. I might have gained that pound just from that ice cream, and I also did have a little bit of mango. Mango is basically smashed plantains. It's a Dominican dish, and I went to my sister-in-law's house and she made it, and it was like super delicious. So that was like the really only thing that wasn't keto, because we had salami's keto, we had eggs, and we had fried cheese. So all of that is keto friendly except the mango, which is plantains. But I had very, very little of it, so I don't think it was too bad. And then that was really the only thing that I cheated with. I did pretty good, and I've been doing pretty good since. I do want to have a shake every night this week, just because we are going to Orlando again. We are going to Disney this weekend because it is Caesar's birthday, and my parents are going over there for a wedding, so we're just gonna join them and go to Disney and celebrate Caesar's birthday. And yeah, also I forgot to tell you guys, I switched it up a little bit. So I've been doing it from like 12ish to 8ish kind of situation. Sometimes I pass 12 and I go 12:30. Like today I'm probably gonna eat like at 1:30. I don't eat past 8 o'clock, so I feel a little bit thinner. So hopefully this is working and it's gonna kickstart more of a weight loss, because I really want to lose about 2 pounds this week. I really do. I'm hoping. So honestly I feel thinner and I feel great ever since I got back onto keto, and even with the little ice cream I had this weekend, I still feel extremely thin. So that's a good sign. And yeah. Alright guys, so I am trying on outfits for Disney, and I know you guys are probably thinking, Disney again? What are you doing? But we're going for Caesar's birthday, so I was thinking this for food and wine. Kind of digging it. It's gonna be super hot, so I wanted something comfortable but still like I'm not suffocating, you know what I mean? So I never mentioned this on here, but these shorts right here used to be so freaking tight on me, like so tight that I couldn't even button them up. I actually have a picture on Instagram of them open, like that I wore them to the beach open, and now they fit, and they're not like super duper tight, but they're not like super loose either, but they fit like perfectly right now. I can't wait for the day when they fit me big, hopefully sometime soon. But yeah, let's put the shirt around the waist and see how it looks. So I think I'm digging the jean shorts better than the black. I mean, the black shorts are looser on me, but I feel like I like this color scheme better. What do you guys think? Hi guys, happy weigh-in day. As you guys saw, we lost another pound. Technically, okay, let me explain this a little bit to you. So, okay, you know how I do not count the like point, like if it's 168.2 or that 0.2 point whatever, I don't count it. I don't know, I've never been one to count it. However, last week we weighed in at 165.8. So if you want to take the point whatever into consideration, we were almost like 166, kind of like 2 points away or whatever it is that you want to like consider it. This week we weighed in at 164 flat, 0.0. That's what the scale said. So my scale, as I've mentioned before, it's called Renfo, and it takes the data and everything and goes into your phone to that specific app, and it'll tell you your body mass and like a whole bunch of stuff. But it gives you your weight in like stone pounds or something like that. I don't know, some kind of format that I really don't understand. So what I usually do is that app also links into my health app that comes with my phone. All Apple phones come with it. So when I go on the health app, obviously every day it'll tell you like your steps and like a whole bunch of stuff. So when I looked at the weight that it gives it to me in like regular pounds, it says I weighed 163.91. So I'm guessing that the Renfo app, like the Renfo scale, just like gives you like an estimate, and it doesn't really give you like break it down into detail. So technically my weight is 163.91. So if you think about it, we lost almost 2 pounds this week. So we're getting so much closer. That means that next week we will probably be in the one, like maybe a full 163 or 162, or I don't know what next week is gonna bring. But as you guys saw in the title of this video, this is going to be my last weight loss vlog for now, just because I feel like I've gotten to a point that the content is just repetitive. Like it's just what I eat a lot of the same foods just because I don't know, I'm a creature of habit, or it's just easy for me, or whatever it is. And now that my schedule has changed, that I'm not home like I usually was most of the day, now that I have to take Aria to therapy, and you know, my days like are changing, I just feel like there's not good content. Like it's not, yeah, I am losing weight. Like I haven't stopped losing weight. I'm still losing weight, but it's, the content is not interesting, I guess, or entertaining, at least in my eyes. So I just feel like I'm just showing you like food. I'm not really like, I don't know, maybe I'm just being lazy. I don't know what it is, but I feel like I need to take a break from the weight loss vlogs. I'm still gonna continue to lose weight. I'm not gonna stop. I will on my Instagram post before and afters and updates and stuff like that, and maybe on my stories and stuff I will continue to post things, but a continuous weekly weight loss vlog, I'm just gonna put that on hold. I'm not giving you guys good enough content, and I don't want to just put out whatever just to have a weekly vlog, you know? I want to put out good stuff. Sorry guys, I had to change sceneries because Aria was not having it. Anyways, as I was saying, I will most likely continue to do maybe like a monthly update of my weight loss and stuff like that, but not every week, because there's just, I don't do enough interesting things, and I haven't started working out again. Like I haven't really done any of that stuff, so my content is really just me talking to you guys and showing you what I eat. Like I don't even go and show you like crazy recipes, and a lot of the stuff you guys have seen me do it before, like egg salads and the salmon burgers and the mahi burgers and the coleslaw and all that stuff. Like that's what I eat all the time. That's basically where I'm at now. I have been putting out a lot of beauty videos, which I'm super happy about, because that's honestly why I started this channel. If you're here just for the weight loss vlogs, like just so you know, I started this on beauty. I have gotten back into that, and I've been pushing out like quite a few beauty videos, and I have more lined up. So I am just gonna be sticking to beauty, and I will give you guys random keto updates. I am gonna be bringing back weekend shenanigans. If you guys don't know what weekend shenanigans is, I will link a couple episodes down below. I've only done about 3, I think it is, but it's basically just me and my friends. Like I just vlog when we have like fun activities. So when we go on vacation, or when we do like certain fun things, I'll just vlog it, and it's called weekend shenanigans, just like us having fun. I do want to bring back mimosas with my CHISMOSAS. If you guys don't know what that is, I will link another one of those videos down below. It's basically just I get with my girls, we drink some mimosas, and we talk about different topics. And again, I will continue with my keto updates, and I will continue giving you guys that, but just not on a weekly basis. So, but I'm really happy that we lost technically 2 pounds this week, and it brings my total weight loss since I started this keto journey in mid-April. It brings my total weight loss down to 28 pounds. That's 2 pounds short of 30 pounds. Like it's still obviously not enough. Like I'm still a chunky girl. Like I'm not skinny, and you know, I have my rolls and my gut, especially like my weight. Like the way my body structure is, like I gain the most weight around my midsection, like my gut, my love handles, like that's where I gain all my weight. I don't gain weight in my legs. I have skinny legs, I have skinny arms. My face does get a little chubby, but that's pretty much it. That's where we're at. We're at a 28-pound weight loss, and I'm not stopping there. I'm gonna keep going. I told you guys I'm gonna make it to the 150s, and I am. I'm literally 3 pounds short of being in the 150s, so I'm not stopping. Thank you guys so much for supporting this weight loss journey, for watching my vlogs, for your comments, for your likes, for everything, for your suggestions, everything. Like, thank you guys so much. And I am not going to be stopping these weight loss vlogs, just they're not going to be on a weekly basis. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.